This is called The Boat Song by J.J. Heller. It's kind of a lullaby. It's super sweet. I'm going to teach it to you in the key of G. So make sure to also stop this video and check on the description below, and I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. It'll make a ton of sense. All right, in the key of G we have G, C, D, and then we have an E minor. So it's super simple. Let's go through those chords. G chord, G, B, D, C chord, C, E, G. A D is D, F sharp, A, makes this triangle shape here. And then when we're at the D, you just go up here to the E minor, E, G, B. Okay, so when our right hand is playing chords, our left hand is just going to put thumb on a D, line up your 5 fingers, and you don't have to move this hand the whole time, which will help simplify things for you too. G with a single note here, E minor, C, single note, and D. Okay, when you add some rhythm to it, it can go like this. Together, right, E minor, together, right, together, right, C, and D. Okay, then we add some vocals. Here you go. If you were a boat, my darling, a boat, my darling, I'd be the wind at your back. If you were a G, E minor, C, and D. Pretty easy, right? Together, right, together, right. Okay, so the verse 2 repeats itself as well as the verse 3. Let's just go into that chorus a little bit. Here we go. C. Do you know we belong together? C, D. Do you know my heart is yours? And then the verse 3 is a repeat of that. The little interlude, or kind of the chords that you can go through for the beginning, is just G minor and C, D, G minor, C, D. I think you guys can do this beginning to end. Follow along with me. It's a super one. Let's do it. If you were a boat, my darling, a boat, my darling, I'd be the wind at your back. If you were afraid, my darling, afraid, my darling, I'd be the courage you lack. If you were a bird, then I'd be a tree, and you would come home